Professional Scrum Product Owner 2 PSPO-II exam is designed to assess your ability to apply the Scrum framework and the product owner role to complex and realistic scenarios. The exam covers topics such as product vision, value, stakeholders, backlog management, release planning, scaling, and leadership. The exam consists of 40 multiple-choice questions that you have to answer in 60 minutes. You need to score at least 85% to pass the exam and earn the PSPO-II certification. The certification is valid for life and does not require any renewal fees. The PSPO-II exam is a valuable credential that can help you advance your career as a product owner and deliver better products with Scrum. 1. What is the value of a product owner having a clear and inspiring product vision? Choose the best 3 answers. A. It provides a direction and purpose for the product. B. It makes it easier to inspect progress. C. It ensures that the Scrum team is committed to deliver all of the product backlog items. D. It is not defined in Scrum and therefore optional. E. It provides a focus when making decisions. 2. How should multiple Scrum teams, working together on the same product, select the product backlog item for their teams? Choose the best answer. A. The product owner proactively assigns the product backlog item to each team. B. The developers pull in work in agreement with the product owner. C. The Scrum team with the highest velocity is prioritized to pick up the product backlog item first. D. Share the number of the product backlog item equally to all teams. 3. Which of the following statements is true about the sprint backlog? Choose the best answer. A. It is helpful to have the sprint backlog defined before the sprint planning. B. The product owner has the final say on the scope and the ordering of the sprint backlog. C. The developers own the sprint backlog. D. The developers commit to completing the sprint backlog by the end of the sprint time box. 4. Which of the following are considered preferred product owner stances? Choose all that apply. A. The story writer. B. The decision maker. C. The collaborator. D. The visionary. E. The subject matter expert. 5. Which option can improve the time to market? Choose the best answer. A. Work extra time. B. Remove low-performing team members. C. All of the above. D. Add more people. E. Remove impediments to faster delivery. 6. Team A is an excellent Scrum team with a high velocity. At the 4th sprint, the Scrum team decided to lower the frequency of the daily Scrum. They suggest conducting the daily Scrum twice a week. What are the 3 keys concerns if there are only 2 daily Scrum meetings per sprint? Choose all that apply. A. The product owner cannot make accurate report progress to the stakeholders. B. The developers lose the opportunities to update the Gantt chart properly. C. The sprint planning might become inaccurate. D. Impediments are raised and accumulated, and it requires a great effort to resolve. E. Lack of opportunities to inspect and adapt the sprint backlog. 7. The time box for the sprint review is. Choose the best answer. A. At the end of every sprint. B. 4 hours for a 4-week sprint. Usually shorter for shorter sprints. C. Any length of time needed. D. 15 minutes. 8. Successful use of Scrum depends on how well people behave and act in ways that reflect the Scrum values. What can the value of openness affect? Choose the best answer. A. Trust from stakeholders. B. Level of product quality. C. Collaboration efforts. D. Team member happiness. E. All of the above. F. Time to market. 9. During the sprint review, your stakeholders suggest temporarily delaying the start of the next sprint in order to react more quickly to the expected user feedback after the latest release. As a product owner, what would be 2 acceptable approaches? Choose the best 2 answers. A. Continue with the sprints and include the customer feedback in the product backlog. B. Delay the next sprint to allow the developers to work on new customer feedback. C. Continue with the sprints but shorten the sprint time boxes to allow for shorter feedback loops. D. Continue with the sprints but allow the sprint goal within the sprint to change according to the customer feedback. 10. As a product owner, understanding the developers' velocity will help you measure time to market and innovation rate. How does technical debt relate to velocity? Choose the best 2 answers. A. As the developers are working on new product backlog items, they can run into technical debt resulting in an unexpected slowdown in velocity. B. They are not related because technical debt is non-functional and velocity is calculated based on end-user functionality. C. The developers can artificially inflate velocity by allowing technical debt to be incurred. D. Adding estimates to technical debt will allow the developers to maintain constant velocity, therefore ensuring predictability.